Hello friends, welcome to the second video on this channel. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about a stock which is LIC Housing Finance Ltd. So the company has been doing well fundamentally, and right now we are about to study the technical analysis of the stock price. So the stock has been consolidating for over almost 7 to 8 years. You can see in around 2017 there was a high made. Okay, so the 700 to 800 rupees, this is the resistance zone, and the 200 to 300 zone, it is the support zone. Okay, so the stock has been in an range for a long time now, and I think as the broader market gets positive, this stock is also going to perform well, as there has been a long consolidation going on in the stock. Also, if you see the volume bars, just like we previously discussed in Questcorp, the volumes has been significantly filling up during this consolidation. Especially, you see, this is the correction phase of the stock. The stock was in correction mode from around 2017 till 2020, which was the COVID crash in the markets. So the stock made a significant low. Okay, so this was around 221 rupees. It is a we can say important low marked by the stock in 2020 crash, and since then it hasn't touched this low again. Okay, so we can see there have been higher lows forming in the stock. Okay, so in March 2025, in March 2023, and then again in June 2022, or we can say from March 2022 to June 22. So you see there is a pattern. March of some years makes the lows. Okay, so this was a low made in March. Again, this was a low made in March. This was another low made in March, and now this recent low that has also been made in March. So there are various patterns in the markets that they continuously repeat. Okay, one must study the markets in a deeper way to understand the hidden patterns in the markets. Okay, so currently the stock is facing resistance around 700 to 800 rupees. Okay, currently the stock is trading at 600 rupees. So we can say if we buy at the current prices, we can keep our targets of around 30% till this multi-year resistance. Okay, and if we are going to break this resistance, which we are very likely to do so in the upcoming time, then we can say our target would be around which I have already marked, that comes around to be almost around 1400 rupees. So we can have a gain of around 132% from the current prices. So why this target I have marked here, as I already discussed in previous video, that there is a major move target thing. So if we go from here till here, so this comes around to be around 622 rupees. There must have been a little miscalculation. Okay, but even if we slide down a little bit to 560, okay, so still we are there is a probability of hitting 1326 rupees or so. Okay, so we can the stock can achieve these prices in about a year and a half. Okay, so I think LIC Housing Finance is going to do well in future because the housing finance market is going to have a special support from the government as well, as people are spending money in building and buying houses and everything that comes under the housing expenditure. Okay, so that's why these companies that are related to the housing finance, home loans and car loans and everything, they're going to do well in coming future. So this is the technical analysis and a little bit of fundamental bits about LIC Housing Finance. if you like the video, do like and subscribe, and obviously share with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you.